one, we got a Bobcat 337D. You got your auxiliary hydraulics. Pretty good teeth. Pretty good bucket, actually. Heavy duty sides there. Push blade. Tracks are pretty good. Undercarriage. Pretty good. Here's your VIN plate, serial number. Vinyls look good. Pattern changer. Dash. We're gonna go side to side here. Nice and smooth, not grunting. And we'll pick ourselves up. No issue. Just put a new cap on that. That's why you see hydraulic fluid coming out. The other cap was bad. That's just a breather tube. All the panels are there, not all banged up. Here's your other side, final drive. I mean, it looks like a pretty decent machine. And we have the video of it running and driving as well here on our YouTube page if you want to take a look at that. Any questions, give me a holler.